Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to share a very big tips with you guys today. Alright, so for today's tutorial I'll be sharing a very big secret. Because it wasn't easy for me being a Windows user for over 10 years and just porting to Mac. So I had to spend a lot of time just to get used to using Mac. So and today I'll be sharing with us on how you can do screen recording. If you are a creative, you want to make video tutorial for your fans, you are a YouTuber, you want to teach people on how to anything, you want to record your screen, be it on Premiere Pro, be it on Lightroom, Photoshop, 4D design, whichever software you want to use. And this is way easy for you, and it is really exciting. Do you know why? Because you are not downloading any other software. When I used to do screen recording, I mostly use Corel Video Studio. There is an extra application that comes with it, so whereby you can use to record your screen, and there is another application, Screen Recorder, iScreen Recorder, which I downloaded on my Windows system. But now I'm on Mac, and Mac is so exciting. It is so intriguing that you don't need to download any application. I know you want to learn it, so let's go. So come to your home, and then there is this application that plays video for you on Mac by default, which is QuickTime Player. And if you do not have it, that is the only reason you would have to download QuickTime Player. But most latest OS for Mac, they have QuickTime Player, and if you do not have, you can download online. Just check Google, it will give you the best place where you can download QuickTime Player. And if you do not have it pinned here to your plate, you can just come to your search bar here, and then you search for QuickTime Player and install it. This is your QuickTime Player, then make sure you plug it in here. But we won't take that route. Just come down, double click, and then you have this option. Can you see? It is because I'm recording right now, that is why it didn't give you this. That is why it is not giving us this option of start screen recording. But if it were to be that I am not recording, you can easily just tap on the option that it will bring for you will be start screen recording, and then you can choose the format by which you want to record your video, be it in I think it records as high as 1080p, which is fine for any tutorial you want to do or a YouTube video. And when you are done recording, you just come to your menu here, and then you click on the stop button, then your video saves automatically. Then you can choose to rename and save the destination where you want to save your files, where you want to save the video that you just made to. I hope you've been able to learn something new today, which is exciting for me. When I discovered this, I was really happy. I don't know if this has been helpful for you. Please let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for future tips. Thank you so very much. Catch you some other time.